Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 8 and today I'll show you how you can customize quick launch. So I'm talking about this feature when you double press, oh wait a minute, I just make it too slowly. When you double press your power key. So as you can see, currently it's linked to the Google Assistant, but for sure we can change it. So we have to go for the settings, you have to go for the advanced and find smart key. So as I said before, it's linked to the open Google Assistant, but we can customize and we can get the quick access for the feature. For example, you can use the calculator. So let's check. Okay, let's go back. There we got the quick access. Yeah, right now it's supposed to work. Yeah, right now it works. We can also make it by opening application. So for example, we want to get quick access to our Gmail account. Okay, so let's choose this one. Let's go back. As you can see, it's linked. So let's try. Yeah, and it works. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.